So good evening, all the team members who are joining for this demo, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Functional Consultant role. Right. So this is a completely a recorded session. Don't worry about that. If anybody is missing on the demo, so this will be recorded session and uploaded on the YouTube. Okay. So don't worry about that if anybody is missing. Hope you are able to hear me and you are able to see my screen, right? If anybody is getting any issue, please confirm me. I'll be resharing my screen. Okay. So let me start my session. So once again, welcome for Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management training demo. So really very happy. Huge response for this 7 to 8 p.m. session also. So we are highly specialized on this Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management trainings. Okay, so this is not my comment. So in the Google reviews or like YouTube related, you can get more comments regarding for this SCM related trainings, how our institute approaches and everything. Okay, so let's start with my introduction. Okay, today it's a very simple demo. Don't worry about that. I'm not using more complicated technical words on this. Why? Because it's not a completely a technical related demo. It's completely a functional related demo. Why? Because this is a zero coding and right, no SQL, nothing. So please follow this. If anybody is expected technical on this, only little topics on this training level, not completely on the technical. Right, it's a completely a functional related training on Oracle ERP application. Okay, so let's coming to today's demo session. Right. So team, just confirm me. Hope you are able to hear me with a clear voice. If any breaking voice is there, please confirm me. Okay. So we can start over this session. Okay. Team, everyone is hearing clearly, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So once again, welcome for Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management. Right. So welcome to OTL Technologies. So RTL Technologies is conducting for this training, right, on the Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management. RTL is one of the leading institute for providing on Oracle application related trainings, either it is a functional or technical or any or like EBS related. Okay, so they're very highly specialized. Okay, so we are the members who are working on these RTLs as a collaborations, and we can provide you complete training, end-to-end training on behalf of RTL. Okay, so let's coming for me, right? I'm Girinath Reddy, so senior functional consultant, especially on the SCM. I'm not dealing any HCM or CRM or any other things. I'm dealing only for HCM. I'm purely functional consultant. Okay. So I worked on many companies. I have a lot of experiences on the real-time related projects. So we deliver a lot of projects in the global market, in the global location. Right. So you can see, so organizations where I worked with multiple organizations with multiple locations. So I have expertise in the implementation and as well as for the support enhancements and trainings. So up to now, 1,000+ professional trainers are trained from our training centers. Right. So there is a multiple jobs also getting offers from our institute. Okay, so I'm completely a functional consultant. So please follow this. Okay, if you are asking any other related, technical related, even I'm not a suitable person for that, then we have a one more expert on that. Okay, I'll be introducing, right, the trainer who is providing the technical related aspects. Right. So this is just my profile. Okay. I worked on the different modules. Especially I worked on the modules of expertise in the inventory, procurement, order management, product management, costing, manufacturing related, some planning related contributions also there in the previous projects. Okay. So different locations. I know about that, how we can start a project and how we can end the project end to end. Okay, end to end. This training is also completely a real-time related process is going on here. Okay, we are dealing with the real-time related processes. Okay, some of the candidates already joined our batches, and here also they are joined for the demo session. Okay, so we can take the feedback from them, how it is. Okay, how they feel. Okay, so this is my just a brief introduction. So I'm the person who take care about complete end-to-end related modules, configurations, and processes. So before going to the session, first of all, we as a candidates, so we need to know about some of the few things, right? So here, this training level, this demo level, the people are from the freshers, the people from the expertise, the people from the who is already working, right? The candidates, some candidates are already having a good knowledge on the different modules, and some candidates are working in the other ERP applications like other some of the competitive ERP applications, right? So this demo is completely right from basics to advanced. Each and everything we are going to discussing on this demo. Okay, so I'm not giving any training on this demo. I'm just giving some clarity about what is supply chain management. So what is our duty once we are joining any IT company? So these are the things we can discuss on this demo, right? Like an interaction. It's not a one side discussion. It's a completely both side we can discuss about that. Okay, so now, so let's coming to the next screen. What is our today's agenda? Right, the complete agenda of today demo is a simple, right? My explanation is very easy. I'm not using any complicated literature words. I'm using very simple Indian language. Okay, so today's our demo is what is supply chain management? What is supply? The very simple question. The persons who are already working in the ERP application, they feel that why this demo is going to discuss about what is supply chain management. But don't feel why, because few candidates don't know about what is supply chain management, but they're ready to move on from their careers to SCM profession, right? So they want to understanding about that, what is supply chain management. That's the first topic. So here we can discuss about the real-time business scenarios, what is supply chain management. After that, what is ERP application? So as a functional consultants, once you are joining any IT company as a functional consultant, you are working on the ERP application. What is ERP application? So what is the relation between the supply chain management and ERP application? Right. So after ERP application, what are the most high demanded ERP applications in the market? What are the different types of ERP applications? ERP application is nothing but enterprise resource planning, right? So we'll discuss about more things on this. Okay, voice is clear. Okay, thank you. Now, so Next. So fifth one. Which Oracle Fusion SCM modules are? Right. Fourth one. Why Oracle Fusion SCM trending ERP application in the global market? Why Oracle Fusion SCM is top trending in the global market? Why most of the consultants are selecting this profession? Right. Oracle Fusion ERP. In this, what are the top modules? What are the top modules? Right, in the Oracle Fusion SCM, what are the top modules in high demand in the IT market? Okay, so that's the sixth one. Who is eligible for this training program? It's not a training program, it is a consultant training. Right, after this program, you'll be joining as a functional consultant in IT market. Right, what are the eligibilities? What are the salary ranges? So the few of them have a very good question. Is the AI is impacting these professions, functional consultant? Right. Really, this Oracle Fusion SCM is a really good decision if I am joining this as a functional consultant. Is there any AI impact and layoffs? You heard in the recent market, Oracle is layoff. Right. We'll discuss all these things. Then, so what are the current Oracle Fusion openings in the IT market and which companies are hiring? So the final one is once you are getting a IT job in this position, right? So primarily you are working on which tool, which application. So all these things we'll discuss one by one. Okay. So if you have any queries, I'll be providing a time to discuss on this. Okay. We will discuss more on this. Okay. Don't worry. I'll be giving complete roadmap regarding for this Oracle Fusion supply chain management. Okay. Now let's come in. First one is what is supply chain management? Okay. The simple question. What is supply chain management? So in this image, there is a lot of things are there, right? The supply chain journey, real world view, behind every click. What is this all things? Very simple, very simple. Now I am asking a simple question. Simple question. Okay. Imagine you order an iPhone from the Amazon. You order an iPhone from the Amazon. How does that iPhone reach your home? You are simply clicking on that order now, right? The iPhone is delivered in your home within 2 days or 3 days. So what is the process of mechanism? Is the warehouse or a delivery partner or truck? Here you can see. Okay, inventory management or delivery. What is the behind of this? Okay, the behind is very simple supply chain management operation. You are ordering something from the Zomato. Immediately within half an hour, as for your distance location from the hotel to your home, based on that, the delivery time is expected. Delivery time is displayed on the Zomato, Flipkart or Amazon. You are booking something, right? Your expected delivery is tomorrow or your expected delivery is day after tomorrow. Exactly, your delivery is deliver on time. There is a lakhs of orders are going on every day. How these Amazon people are Flipkart or Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Jepto, like whatever the familiar online deliveries are there in our market, we are using regular on this, Ola or Uber, anything. You are just clicking on the one click and getting the order, and that order will be delivered as per the timeline. What is the behind of this mechanism? Do you think about that? What mechanism is giving this appropriate, accurate deliveries? The simple mechanism is supply chain management. You are ordering something. What happened once you are ordering? Right. Inventory. You are ordering iPhone from the Amazon. Amazon people are processing that, uh, picking the material from their warehouse. Either it is a Bangalore location. For example, you are staying in Hyderabad. You are booking a material from iPhone from the Hyderabad location, but your iPhone is also there in the Hyderabad warehouse. How much time it will be taking a delivering? Only 1 day. Express delivery. Right. So in the Amazon warehouse means inventory. Inventory means stock point. Stock point. If I am asking a cup of sugar in your home, where you can get a cup of sugar? From your kitchen, right? The kitchen is something like a warehouse or inventory for storing all the kitchen related material. Kitchen related material. Whenever you are starting a preparation of the curry or food, something, you are picking that material and adding all the ingredients and preparing your tasty food. Same way, once you are ordering something, right? Let's just assume that iPhone. Immediately, Amazon people are getting that order and picking the material in their warehouse, exact location, and packing the material and shipping the material to customer location. Customer means you. So immediately they're asking, can you please give me the rating on this? Your expected delivery is on your expected time. Right. Now you are satisfied. Immediately you are giving exactly on time delivery and the product is very good. The secret behind of the deliveries is SCM, and they are maintaining these SCM processes, supply chain management process. Right. Supply chain management process by Excel or like any Word document or like any simple applications. You mean to say all these are Amazon or Flipkart or just a simple applications. You are logging to the Amazon or Flipkart or Zomato. You just ordering. Right. Behind in the back end of the application, multiple employees are working on that online deliveries. Right. Once your iPhone order is booking from your mobile, what happened? Immediately, Amazon warehouse level, that employees are picking the material. So the employees are picking, and some of the employees are there, they are packing the material. Some of the employees are there, they are moving the material to shipping. Some employees are there who is working on the shipping, like a transportation. Right. They are doing the transportation. Some employees are deliveries. See how many employees are working. How this track is maintaining by step from order booking to order delivery. The behind of this successful mechanism of order to delivery is only for supply chain management. This is the integrated mechanism, not only for the simple application. It's an integrated mechanism. We can discuss more on these things. Now you are understanding. For example, let's today open the Zomato application and order something. In the behind, what happened? Just think about that. How delivery is on time. The delivery is delivered to your home. Right. Now, let's assume that how much important this supply chain management in the market. How much important. Okay, so now let's coming to one by one discussion, right? End-to-end visibility, right? So there is a lot of things for the supply chain management, improve the efficiency. Okay, so better decision makings, enhance the customer satisfactions, cost reductions, data entry related, manual data entry related is not processing on this. Okay, there is a multiple advantages for this supply chain management. That is the reason most of the businesses are implemented their business level, this supply chain management mechanism. And they're spending crores of amount. Amazon is spending crores of amount to maintaining that supply chain management application. Not only Amazon, let's take any e-commerce application or any business, right? They are spending crores of amount to implement these applications, right? Otherwise, their business will be spoiled. Their business will be lost. Their business will be customer satisfaction is very less. What happened? Immediately, see, for example, if you are booking something from the Amazon or Flipkart, immediately you are seeing the reviews, customer reviews. Based on that customer reviews only, you can take the decision. Right. So that is the reason the businesses are highly prefer for maintaining their supply chain management mechanism with on times. Okay, let's coming to the next question. What is the supply chain? Now you're understanding what is supply. From order booking to order delivery, whatever the mechanism is there in between of that, the process we call it as a supply chain management. Here we have a lot of things are there. Okay, I'll discuss more on this. Okay, let's. Now, coming to this. For example, Amazon. You are a customer, you are booking something. What happened? System is confirming a order number is generated. After that, warehouse allocation will be happening. Immediately in the warehouse level. Yeah, can you please mute? So immediately the warehouse people are picking the material and packing the material and labeling. And what happened? So please mute. Please mute. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss. Okay, what happened? Inventory people are picking the material and packing that. Immediately shipment will be happening. The transportation. Who is this Kallu? So please mute. I think I tried to mute you, but you are again unmute. Okay. Now shipment is hand over this. Right. So based on that shipment. Right. So after shipment, the transportation will be assigning to that. Then the finally, what happened? Your delivery is on your doorstep. Right. If any damages are there, you can return that material. Right. You can return that material. So this is what the process which is going on this supply chain management, right? This is not a simple supply chain management. There is a multiple purchasing things are there. For example, right. So what happened here? Headset is there. How Amazon is getting this material? From suppliers, right? So once the supplier is supplying this material to organization is maintaining the stock, and whenever the stock is available, then it is allowing to customers to book their material. Okay, so there is a multiple processes are there. We'll discuss more on this. Just want to understanding what is supply chain management, how the business process is going on. Now let's coming to the another one. ERP application. So this mechanisms complete supply chain mechanism. Right? The business is maintaining on the ERP applications. The business is maintaining on ERP applications. So what is ERP? ERP is nothing but enterprise resource planning. Whatever their enterprise is, right? They want to be making a proper planning for their businesses. So here, let's discuss about our SCM related. In the ERP application, they are maintaining a lot of processes, SCM, finance, HR related, CRM. There is a multiple processes they are maintaining, but ERP application is a centralized database and automated workflows are created from here based on their scope of the business. ERP, enterprise resource planning applications are right. So is giving for this supply chain management mechanism efficient. So from our supply chain management, let's discuss about inventory management. So how this ERP application is linking to the supply chain management. So ERP, in the ERP application, inventory management is the one module, right? One module. So here, why the inventory management and inventory is maintaining on the ERP application? See, for example, you are booking an iPhone. Amazon people are picking the material from their warehouse. If warehouse is not there, how Amazon is maintaining the stock? How Amazon is promising to the customer, your delivery will be delivered tomorrow. First of all, they are maintaining the stock. See, if I'm asking a cup of coffee, right? So you need to maintaining sugar, coffee, powder, some ingredients, right? Without item ingredients, how can you providing a very good cup of coffee? If sugar is not there, what happened? Right. Same way, inventory management is nothing but where we can maintain the stock on their business. Let's take a DMart. DMart level, what happened? Lot of products are there. It's their inventory. If stock is not available, what happened? Customers are getting that material from the other retail stores. Right. To maintaining their stocks for the customer related bookings. Right. Inventory management is one of the stock point. Then procurement. In the inventory management, if items are not there, right? So where they are getting this material from the inventory? Right, they are getting this material from the procurement. In the inventory, the stock is available by the procurement. Procurement is nothing but purchasing. See, if you don't have a sugar, what you will do? You are purchasing a material from the, right, near shops. Same way, if stock is not available, this business people are purchasing the material by using the procurement process. Product management, item related maintenances. See, for example, some items from the Amazon, it is not a returnable items. Some items, right? So, returnable items. Some items are different dimensions, say different colors. Some items are assembled items, right? Some items are configured items. For example, if you are booking a bicycle for your kid, what happened? Different parts are coming to your home and you need to be assemble that. There is a different. So where we can maintaining the type of functionality is coming from the product management. Product management is a lot of specifications are there while creating the item. Okay, so this is item related maintenances. Then order management, sales related. Right, customer places order online, system checks stock and availability, how much stock is available. Based on that, system is promising delivery date. Delivery date. For example, you are booking an iPhone, but there is no any iPhone stock in the Amazon. What happened? Your delivery time will be delayed. Your delivery time is next week. Okay, so the order management related is completely sales, costing and finance, calculation of the transactions, calculation of profit, each and everything will coming from here. Then human resource, not only human resource, HRM related, employees are there, right, in the organization for order management related. Okay, procurement who purchasing team is there, inventory, stock related, inventory managers, warehouse managers, picking related, shipping related, packing employees. Okay, so in the product management also designers, a lot of stuff is there. Right, the staff related maintenances are coming from the human resource, but in the SCM, we are discussing on inventory, procurement, product management, order management, and cost. Right, so the simple, right, so this ERP application is suitable for any retail, manufacturing, distributions, healthcare, education, banking systems, right? So there is a number of businesses in the market. So these ERP applications are suitable. Okay, so I'm discussing about ERP application. Now you are immediately getting one question. How many types of ERP applications in the market? Right. So there is a multiple popular ERP applications in the market. We already know that. Right. So ERP is enterprise resource planning. For providing these applications in the market, there is a multiple ERP applications like a SAP. We already know SAP. Yes, one of the most high demanded application in the market. Lot of customers are implemented. The large enterprise. This is the best for large enterprises. Right. Their businesses is a crores of business. Crores of business. Right. In such a scenario, they are using SAP applications. So every ERP application is their own specifications. For example, if you are purchasing a car, right? I'm purchasing a Tata car, you are purchasing a Mahindra car, somebody is purchasing for a Maruti, right? So why the people are purchasing different products, different cars? Because their specifications are different. I'm purchasing a Tata car, I'm thinking about the safety and hardness because my rash driving or something. Okay, somebody is thinking about mileage related. Somebody is thinking about some automation functionalities, sensors functionalities. Right. So the customers level, each and every customer is a different mindset. In same way, the businesses also different mindsets and their specifications are different. Their expectations are different. In such a scenario, they are selecting any one of the ERP application on their business implementation. Right. Here, second one is Oracle application. So best for, right, this is middle companies and large enterprises. It is suitable and unified business suites and scalable, secure, built in AI and automations. Okay, and global compliance. It is supported with any language. Oracle. Microsoft Dynamics also is there, right? Their own specifications. Infor is there, NetSuite is there, Workday is there, Odoo is there. Lot of ERP application, but their suitability and the business process is different. Okay, the selection will be different from the business to business, right? So whatever the ERP application they are selected, they are giving these ERP applications to IT companies. The IT companies level consultants are working on this ERP application and set up all their business processes and providing the production applications to business for their business processes. Now, in these ERP applications, we are working on the Oracle Fusion ERP application, cloud ERP application. It's a cloud. I'm dealing only for cloud application. So cloud application is suitable for, right, you can operate anywhere. But on-premises applications are operated very limited and the implementation is also very expensive. Okay, we are dealing with Oracle Fusion ERP applications. Okay, now, so you got it. What is ERP application? What is the most popular ERP applications in the market? Okay, so now coming to our discussion. That means why Oracle Fusion is the top trending in the market. Right. I'm giving this question and I'm giving the answer for this. Okay. Why Oracle Fusion is top trending application. The simple, if you are asking this to ChatGPT or any other AI tools, okay, the simple reason is it's a completely a cloud application, right? So cloud application, no hardware, no software installation, nothing. The business users have just a login, like your bank account, right? You have a logins, username and password. You are login and you are doing your transactions, right? Same way. Okay, this is a completely cloud application. Okay, and the automatic updates and new features, for example, in your mobile also, whenever new features are coming from the any application, automatically what happened? Your application is updated. Our system is asking, can you update a new version? Right? This cloud application also, every 3 months, new releases are coming, new updates are coming. System is automatically updated that. Then end-to-end supply chain visibility. End-to-end supply chain visibility. That means, for example, in the stock level, 100 quantity is there. Stock level 100 quantity is there. This stock availability is visible from the order management people. Right? Stock availability will be visible to procurement team. Okay, supply and planning, everything will be supported. End-to-end supply chain visibilities. Right. So a retailer tracks inventory in the real time across the stores and warehouse to avoid the stockouts. For example, there is a lot of stock into the warehouse. Immediately they are avoiding to purchasing the material. For example, iPhones, already 1,000 iPhones are their stock. Right. The system is giving accurate how much quantity, on hand quantity is there. Right. What is the next demand? How many items are required? Everything the system is giving end-to-end supply chain visibility. Okay, then third one, AI and machine learning powered. Here, some automations are there. Some predictions are there, some demand planning is there, right? For efficient operations, for example, let's like next Dasara is coming. For example, in the Amazon, Dasara, there is a multiple offers are coming. Whenever they are announcing a offers, they must be maintaining the stock, right? Without stock, it's a very difficulty to uh, providing on-time deliveries. Then the customers are giving bad rating. So in such a scenario, AI and machine learning is automated with that. And what is the top required high demanded items in this Dasara season? System is automatically providing some of the items, right? Whatever the demanded items, based on that, supply planning mechanism is triggering. Okay, so AI and machine learning related. Global compliance and localizations. This will be supported for multiple countries with multiple languages and currencies and tax regulations. So in India, somebody is asking, somebody is implemented. For example, let's take a Reliance or Tata. They are ready to implement this Oracle Fusion SCM application. But in India, Hindi is the most popular language. Popular language means that is our language, national language. Now, can this Oracle Fusion application is supported on this? 100% it is supported. You take any country, so the language related or tax regulations or currencies, the Oracle Fusion application is supported. So what about other applications? Other applications also supported, but the features are this. Okay, so highly integrated with flexible. It's integrated with any application, right? For example, SCM, supply chain management. Some SCM related processes are integrated to finance, right? Some finance related processes are integrated to HCM, CRM, right? So there is a multiple integrated applications are supported this Oracle Fusion application. So that is the reason it's a highly recommended for single ERP application. Single ERP application is supported with the multiple integrated processes, right? Then real demand in the global market. Top companies across the industries are moving to Oracle Fusion SCM, high demand for skilled professionals, right? So you can see here some of the companies like Amazon, IKEA. So these people are already using some of the supply chain management related operations, the CRP application. Okay, and the implementations also going on. But here in the Oracle Fusion, the one more thing is every 3 months, the new updates are updated on the application level. For example, now the trending related AI functionalities. AI functionalities already included in this application. Right. So that is the reason Oracle is a top trending. And one more thing is the simple thing. Most of the consultants are moving from their current positions to SAP application or any other applications. So in Hyderabad, the SAP related, there is a 100 to 200 institutes are there who is providing a SAP application trainings. From 100 to 200, every 4 months, there is 1,000 candidates are coming to in the market. How many openings are there? Only 100 openings are there. Every 4 months, there is 1,000 candidates, but openings are 100 or openings are 500. So here, the trained candidates are more, the openings are very less. But in the Oracle Fusion, the training centers are very less. In Hyderabad, you can search only 2 or 3 institutes are there who is providing a real-time training. Some of the institutes are there, but I'm not sure about that. What is the real-time processes? But only the few institutes, 1 or 2 institutes, is giving a real-time visibility of how the supply chain management process in the real time. Okay, so the candidates, trained candidates are very less. Every 2 months or 3 months, the complete, let's take in Hyderabad or in India, only for 500 people are trained for every month. But openings are minimum 800 to 900 every month. But the candidates are very less. The thing is here, right? Training candidates are very less, but the openings are very high. So you can place easily. Once your training is completed, you can place easily if you are practicing regular. Okay. So this ERP application is one of the top demanded current market. So compared to other ERP applications. Why? Because this is US product. Most of the people or most of the companies, their legacy feeling is, okay, let's implement it for a US product. Okay. Now, so what are the top modules we are dealing on this training? What are the top modules? The top modules and top companies are implementing, right? The modules are inventory, procurement, product management, order management, and costing. So what are the different from inventory to procurement, procurement to product management? The very simple inventory management is to maintaining the stock related and shipping the material to one inventory to another inventory, from inventory to customer, receiving the material from the suppliers. Right. So complete inventory management is doing this process. Then the procurement, purchasing. If any material is very less on the inventory, then the company is processing this purchasing from the different suppliers. For example, iPhones are not there in the inventory warehouse, Amazon warehouse. Immediately, Amazon people are purchasing 1,000 iPhones from the iPhone dealers or iPhone suppliers. Right. Once the stock is maintaining, then they are starting the selling the products like order management. Product related, we already know, right? How the product related designings, labeling, right? So maintaining the description, everything will coming from the product management. Then cost management, calculation of the right profits. What is the labor cost? What is the handling cost? Each and everything is calculated on the cost management. Okay. So these are the 5 modules in our training. We are giving complete real-time related project-oriented scenarios and configurations and processes. Complete business operations on these 5 modules. So initially we are dealing with inventory. After that, we can start procurement and product management. and after order management and costing. So in real time, don't worry about that. Can we work on all these modules? No. In real time, either you can work on the inventory or procurement or order management, or if you are good at order management, you can work on only single module also. Okay, you are not working all these modules in real time. Okay, this is what a brief about what is supply chain management. Right, this supply chain management operations are implemented on the ERP applications. So ERP application is an application where the complete supply chain related processes are configure the application level and processing the business transactions. And what are the top ERP applications in the market? Oracle Fusion application is a top trending. After that, what are the top modules in the Oracle Fusion SCM? So this is what up to now we discussed. Now let's coming to the who are the eligible of these programs. So everyone have this question. Who is eligibility? Right. So what are the qualifications are required? Right. If I have a career gap, is that really useful for this? Right. So this application is really helpful. Very simple. Very simple. You are a mechanical student, or you are a BTech student, or you are a civil student, MBA, BCom, BTech, fresher, experienced, right? This Oracle Fusion SCM is not required any coding. So that is the reason we don't have any specific qualification. Graduation is the mandatory. That means degree or BTech or BBA. So above that, MBA, MCA, MCOM, all these are, it's add-on things for our eligibility programs. Right, you can see here, anybody, freshers, working professionals, IT professionals, right? Anyone from the finance and accounting backgrounds or career related. You want to be upgrade from the non-IT to IT. Now you are working with 5 years of experience in the EBS. You are working as a only for 10 lakhs. Now you want to switch on from the EBS to Oracle Fusion. You are working on some other application, ERP application. Now you can jump from your ERP applications to Oracle Fusion. Right. So any IT professionals who are working from this app or any other ERP applications or any technical related background you are working. So this is non-coding related training. Right. So degree eligibility is mandatory, but minimum communications and computer knowledge is also required. Right. Who are completed degree qualification, I think they have a good knowledge and communication and as well as for the computer also. Okay. So don't think about really I'm suitable or not. Freshers market is also very good. Why? Because very less freshers are trained on these applications. All the freshers immediately they are jumping after their BTech or final year, they are jumping to the Java, full stack, Python, core Python, some other coding tools. Right. Every year, 10,000s of IT professionals or BTech students are coming from the colleges. Everyone is going for Java and full stack or other things. Who is going for the ERP applications? If why the freshers are required on this applications level? Some little configurations and testings and preparing the documentations. Most of the companies are taking the freshers. Document preparations and small configurations are not performing by the senior functional consultants. They will take care by the requirements or other work, but freshers are doing, right, documentations related configurations. Okay, this ERP applications level freshers market is also very good. Okay, now, so what is the salary packages? Obviously, the salary packages is, so in our, let's take experiences of this chart. If you have a 0 to 1 year, 3 to 5 lakhs of CTC per annum. Okay, so 3 years, 5 to 8 lakhs, and 6 years, 14 or 18 lakhs, up to 18 lakhs or 20 lakhs also. 10 years, 10 years, about 28. This is last 6 months back salaries. Now the salaries are very good in this application. Okay, in the last week also, we offered for 30 lakhs in the Deloitte. Okay, with 8 years of experience. Okay, the salaries are very good on this market, but the salaries also depended on, for example, you have a 6 years of experience or you communicated as a 18 lakhs, but I am getting only 12 lakhs. It's completely dependent on your communication of dealings in the interview point. Your communication is very poor and your dealing is very poor in the interview point, then the negotiation will start from the company and you. Okay, it's dependent on your experience, dependent on your communication. A lot of things are coming into the picture. Okay, that's one thing. Now, the last question. Most of the people are asking this question. Will AI impact Oracle Fusion SCM jobs? 100% not impacted. Don't worry. So why? Because here you can see the very simple. You can ask AI. Don't ask me. You can ask AI, ChatGPT or Anthropic or any Gemini. Is any impact for Oracle Fusion SCM jobs in the future? Any AI impact or any layoffs? Why? Because you are a functional consultant. You are a functional consultant. Okay. You are not an automation mechanism. You are a functional consultant. Okay, the functional consultant meaning is very clear. You are getting a functionality of the business and making the configurations and testing that configurations as for the business. Okay, so the simple thing is no AI automations are coming into this. You are directly dealing with clients. You are getting a requirements. You are discussing with the clients and testing the processes. AI cannot do all these things, right? So only for some document related, right? AI tools will preparing the documentations. Some query related, you are searching where the item is there. You are just giving the item in which warehouse it is there. AI agents are finding that where is that item. Okay, so AI handles automation, not for business decisions, right? ERP is the process, not just a data. Okay, it's a process. Everything is getting the requirements and doing the configurations and discussing the gap related and any workshops, right? Any change management. 100% here the consultant's requirement is there. Okay, if you are joining any data analytics or data science or any quality engineering or something, right? What happened? The automatic tools are there. Right, data quality checking or data engineers related AI tools are processing that AI data. Okay, but in this Oracle Fusion, you are not getting such type of things. Okay, don't worry about that. And how is the career growth in the Oracle Fusion? Already we discussed about this salaries point. Okay, don't worry about that. In the last Oracle layoffs also, there is no Oracle Fusion SCM implementation consultants. Only the support consultants who is working from last 10 years onwards on the support related mechanism. Only one ticket or two tickets in the issues level. Okay, supports related AI tools are giving a better navigations of resolving the issues. So that is the reason Oracle level, only few of the support related consultants are lay off from this jobs. Otherwise, implementation consultants are not lay off by the companies. Why? Because you are the main pillar of this business ERP application implementation. Okay, let's. So what are the companies which are providing most of the jobs, right? So here Oracle, PwC, Deloitte, Accenture, Infosys, TCS, Capgemini, Wipro, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, LTI, HCL, IBM, lot of things are there. Lot of things are there, right? The demand is increasing because thousands of companies are moving from the legacy ERP to cloud application, this Oracle Fusion application. Okay, so don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. The openings are very high and the increase of openings also very high in the future market. Okay, so after getting a job, as a Oracle Fusion functional consultant, on which application primarily you are working? There is only one application. No multiple applications. For example, you are learning a DevOps, you are learning some other tools, you are working multiple tools, multiple applications, multiple logins. But in Oracle Fusion, you are working as a single application. The application is look and feel like this, right? So this is the application, Oracle application. Right, here you are doing your setups and configurations as for the businesses. Okay, as for the businesses, you are working on this application. In the real time also, the application feel and look, everything is same. Everything is same. Okay, this is the application. This is the dashboards where the business is using these dashboards and create a purchase order and requisitions. Right, this is the supply chain planning. And this will be some of the product management where the items are created. Okay, so this will be the supply chain execution. Inventory related managements are happening from here. Right, so this is the application where your complete end-to-end implementation work is going on this application. So this application level, we are providing a real-time related business projects, okay, with the real-time business scenarios and making the configurations and testing all the processes. Now, in this Oracle Fusion application, Redwood and AI functionalities are coming. Right, so we can also discuss Redwood and AI functionalities with some of the technical points also. Okay, so this is what the complete demo regarding of this Oracle Fusion. Day 2, day 1. Okay, day 2, we can discuss about what is the syllabus we are dealing. Right, so what is the syllabus? Okay, so the syllabus related, what topics, each and every topic, what is the core importance in the businesses, right? So if you have any queries, we'll discuss on that. Day 2 demo, we have 3 demos, demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. The Zoom link is same for all your 3 demos. The Zoom link is same. And if you have any queries, already some admin related contact persons are already communicated you on the WhatsApp. You can contact them and you can discuss about your queries also. Okay, so this is what day 1 demo. In the day 1 demo, so we are completely discussed about that, what is supply chain management, right? What is ERP application? How many ERP applications, top ERP applications in the market, right? So in the top ERP application, why Oracle Fusion is top trending, right? So in the Oracle Fusion SCM, what is the top trending modules, and who is the eligibility of this program, and is there any AI impact? All these things are discussed on this demo. Okay, tomorrow I'll see for complete Oracle Fusion related, application related process demo, right? How the application is there, what is the syllabus, each and everything we'll discuss on tomorrow's session. Okay, after 3 demos, you'll take your decision, right? If you are really interested and you are really getting impressed and you are feeling confident about this, then you can take a decision and contact your admins and join for this program. Okay, now if you have any doubts, so we can discuss. Right, I'm stopping the recording.